everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here I want to show you how to add electro heart effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click new project. Add a video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I will show you, this is the original video like this, but in here I wanna add electro heart effect. So just click on the effect at the bottom, click and hair, and in here you can click on video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see on frame. This one, click on it, and in here you can see electro heart effect. This one, click on it and click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the range like this. You can adjust for the speed, for the intensity, and then for the color, for the size, and then for horizontal shift like this. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And then now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add electro heart effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.